Hi. In this video we will be talking about the importance of how to save money without feeling deprived. Watch this video to the end to learn all about this. Welcome back to the International CEO channel, where you can learn how to manage your finances, build wealth, create businesses, and make money from anywhere in the world. Saving money is a practice that many people struggle with, often associating it with feelings of deprivation or sacrifice. However, the reality is that saving money doesn't have to mean giving up the things you enjoy or living a life of austerity. In fact, with the right mindset and approach, saving money can be empowering and liberating, allowing you to achieve your financial goals while still enjoying life to the fullest. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore various strategies and techniques for saving money without feeling deprived. Understanding your relationship with money. Money mindset. Exploring your beliefs and attitudes towards money. Identifying any negative associations with saving money. Cultivating a positive and empowering mindset towards saving. Financial goals. Setting clear and achievable financial goals. Understanding the importance of short-term and long-term goals. Aligning your spending habits with your financial objectives. Budgeting basics. Creating a budget. The importance of budgeting in saving money. Practical tips for creating an effective budget. Tools and resources for budgeting. The role of tracking expenses in understanding your spending habits. Different methods for tracking expenses. Using technology to streamline expense tracking. Smart spending strategies. Differentiating between needs and wants. Understanding the difference between essential and non-essential expenses. Strategies for prioritizing needs over wants. Avoiding impulse purchases. Recognizing the psychological triggers behind impulse buying. Techniques for overcoming impulse buying habits. Practicing mindfulness in spending decisions. Cutting costs without sacrifice. Negotiating bills and expenses. Strategies for negotiating lower rates on bills such as utilities, insurance, and subscriptions. Tips for contacting service providers and negotiating effectively. Meal planning and cooking at home. The financial benefits of meal planning and home cooking. Practical tips for meal planning on a budget. Easy and affordable recipe ideas. Embracing frugality. Thrift shopping and second-hand purchases. The environmental and financial benefits of thrift shopping. How to find quality items at thrift stores and online marketplaces. Incorporating thrift shopping into your lifestyle. And repurposing. Creative ways to repurpose items and reduce waste. Projects for home improvement, decor, and personal care. Saving money through DIY solutions. Maximizing savings and investments. Automating savings. The benefits of automated savings plans. Setting up automatic transfers to savings accounts or investment accounts. Strategies for staying consistent with automated savings. Exploring investment opportunities. Understanding different investment options such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. How to start investing with limited funds. The importance of diversification and risk management. Finding joy in simple living. Cultivating gratitude. The link between gratitude and financial well-being. Practicing gratitude as a way to find contentment and reduce the desire for material possessions. Pursuing meaningful experiences. Investing in experiences rather than material possessions. Finding joy and fulfillment in simple pleasures. Budget-friendly ways to enjoy life to the fullest. Conclusion. Saving money is not about deprivation or sacrifice. It's about making conscious choices that align with your financial goals and priorities. By adopting a positive mindset, creating a budget, and implementing smart spending strategies, you can save money without feeling deprived. Embracing frugality, maximizing savings, and finding joy in simple living are key components of a financially fulfilling life. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. Take small steps each day, and you'll be amazed at the progress you can make towards achieving your financial dreams. Overcoming common obstacles. Dealing with peer pressure. Strategies for handling social situations where spending pressure may arise. Communicating your financial goals to friends and family. Finding alternatives to costly social activities. Coping with FOMO, fear of missing out. Understanding the impact of FOMO on financial decisions. Techniques for managing FOMO without overspending. Focusing on personal priorities and values. Mindful consumption. Practicing delayed gratification. The benefits of delaying purchases and saving up for what you truly want. Techniques for overcoming the urge for instant gratification. Celebrating achievements and milestones along the way. Mindful spending. Incorporating mindfulness into your spending habits. Asking yourself key questions before making purchases. Developing a greater awareness of your consumption patterns. Chapter 10. Building resilience. Dealing with setbacks. Understanding that setbacks are a natural part of the saving journey. Strategies for bouncing back from financial challenges. Seeking support from friends, family, or financial professionals when needed. Staying motivated. Finding inspiration in your financial goals and aspirations. Rewarding yourself for reaching milestones. Creating a supportive environment that encourages saving. Cultivating financial literacy. Educating yourself about personal finance. The importance of financial literacy in making informed decisions. Resources for learning about budgeting, investing, and managing debt. Taking charge of your financial future through knowledge and empowerment. Teaching financial skills to others. The value of sharing financial knowledge with family, friends, and communities. Strategies for promoting financial literacy among children and young adults. Empowering others to take control of their financial well-being. Planning for the future. Setting up an emergency fund. The importance of having a financial safety net for unexpected expenses. Tips for building and maintaining an emergency fund. Long-term financial planning. Thinking ahead to retirement and other long-term financial goals. Exploring options such as employer-sponsored retirement plans and individual retirement accounts, IRAs. Seeking professional guidance to develop a comprehensive financial plan. Saving money without feeling deprived is not only achievable but also empowering. By adopting a positive mindset, embracing frugality, and practicing mindful spending, you can take control of your finances and work towards your goals with confidence. Overcoming common obstacles, building resilience, and cultivating financial literacy are essential components of a successful saving strategy. Remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. With patience, determination, and a willingness to learn, you can create a brighter financial future for yourself and your loved ones. Joining online saving communities. The benefits of connecting with like-minded individuals online. Participating in forums, social media groups, and online communities focused on saving money. Sharing tips, advice, and support with others on their saving journey. Organizing local saving groups. Creating or joining local saving groups in your community. Hosting regular meetings or events to discuss saving strategies and share experiences. Building a support network of peers who can encourage and motivate each other. Exploring alternative income streams. Freelancing and side hustles. Identifying your skills and interests to find suitable opportunities. Balancing additional work with existing commitments and responsibilities. Passive income ventures. Exploring passive income streams such as rental properties, investments, or online businesses. Understanding the principles of passive income and how to leverage them. Investing time and resources into building sustainable sources of passive income. Practicing self-care. Recognizing the link between financial and mental health. Understanding the impact of financial stress on mental well-being. Practicing self-awareness and seeking help when needed. Incorporating self-care practices into your routine to manage stress and maintain balance. Finding balance in life. Prioritizing activities and relationships that bring joy and fulfillment. Nurturing your physical, emotional, and spiritual health. Reflecting on progress and celebrating successes. Tracking your saving progress. Using tools and techniques to monitor your saving goals and milestones. Reflecting on your achievements and areas for improvement. Adjusting your strategies as needed to stay on track. Celebrating milestones and achievements. Recognizing and celebrating each step towards your financial goals. Rewarding yourself for reaching milestones with meaningful rewards. Sharing your successes with others to inspire and motivate. Giving back. Supporting causes and charities. Incorporating giving into your budget and financial plan. Identifying causes and charities that align with your values and interests. Volunteering time, resources, or skills to make a positive impact in your community. Teaching others about saving. Passing on your knowledge and experience to others who may benefit. Mentoring friends, family members, or colleagues on their saving journey. Empowering others to take control of their finances and build a better future. Saving money without feeling deprived is a journey that requires dedication, patience, and creativity. By adopting a holistic approach that encompasses mindset shifts, practical strategies, and self-care practices, you can achieve your financial goals while enjoying a fulfilling and balanced life. Overcoming obstacles, exploring alternative income streams, and cultivating a sense of community are essential components of a successful saving strategy. Remember, saving money is not just about accumulating wealth. It's about creating freedom, security, and opportunities for yourself and those around you. With perseverance and a positive outlook, you can turn your financial dreams into reality and live a life of abundance and purpose. Understanding the importance of flexibility. Recognizing that life is unpredictable and plans may need to change. Embracing flexibility is a key component of successful money management. Being open to adjusting your goals and strategies as circumstances evolve. Adapting to changes in financial situation. Creating contingency plans and emergency funds to weather uncertain times. Seeking support and guidance from trusted resources during challenging periods. Setting boundaries and saying no. Learning to say no to unnecessary expenses. Asserting your financial boundaries and priorities in social and professional settings. Practicing assertiveness and communicating your values effectively. Recognizing that saying no to certain expenses allows you to say yes to your financial goals. Establishing healthy boundaries with money. Setting clear boundaries around spending, borrowing, and lending money. Avoiding financial codependency and enabling behaviors. Creating a healthy relationship with money based on self-respect and empowerment. Cultivating an abundance mindset. Shifting from scarcity to abundance thinking. Recognizing the limitations of scarcity thinking and its impact on financial decisions. Cultivating an abundance mindset based on gratitude, generosity, and optimism. Reframing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Practicing visualization and affirmations. Harnessing the power of visualization to manifest your financial goals and dreams. Using affirmations to reinforce positive beliefs about money and abundance. Incorporating visualization and affirmations into your daily routine for maximum impact. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on International CEO. See you next time.